Alright everybody, today we have this LG Tromm dryer. I've got the washer too, but I'm just going to tear down this dryer and clean it out really well here. I'm going to start with the screws on the back. Looks like there's 3 on this one. Push that back like that. And it will come off. I think we need to pry this face off here. Just kidding. So we got 2 screws here, one here, and then one over here. That will get the face off. And then we can unplug these, or you can unplug them first. Just sometimes I do it the other way, I don't know. Sometimes these can be hard to get off. These 2 plugs here. Guess I don't have to unplug this one. Now we're gonna have, I think, these 2 in here. So we got that one, then these 4 here. So now I've got it off, I can unhook the door switch. Lift up on that. Then we'll unplug the light there. Because the next thing we'll do is we'll pull off this, the top of this here. I don't know why they use these short screws here, but they do. Unhook the sensor bars here. I've got a pretty good layer of lint down there to clean out. I've got a customer that needs a new one of these. The lint filter housing, I guess is what it is, but that one's got a flat spot. Probably gonna need a bearing there. Yeah, you see this right here? So see all this black? That's from that bearing. Hasn't been doing it very long. Got the 3-wire element here. I don't know, those are blue. I wonder if those are Samsung bearings. I don't really see too much wrong in here. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Normally I don't, but I'm gonna be on a job later this week to replace one of these. I don't know that I've ever really done it, but there's those two screws. I think I gotta take out these two. This one is different than the one I got for the customer. See, this is a different, I don't know. The one that I got is like long. I don't know if we're supposed to cut it, because it's like, it has a lot more pieces. I mean, it's a lot bigger than all this. Interesting, because it does roll, but it's still getting chopped off there, so. Alright, let's find a bearing. I mean, this is a Samsung bearing, but it looks like it's the same size. Now, I don't know if this bearing will be quiet, but here it is. We're gonna try it. I don't know. Let's see. We gotta get all the hair off it first, I guess, or else it's not gonna work. Okay, well, it's spinning pretty good now. So the problem I have with this thing is the kind of the one that it said would work. It doesn't look like it's gonna work, but it looks like. And that's what I can't figure out. Am I supposed to cut out pieces? So it looks like it has all the same pieces, but you just cut. If I just cut some of them out, it will work. It's so weird. So I don't know. I ordered another one anyways, and hopefully I'll get him one way or another. I might even just load this dryer up and take it with me if his is like this or the other two that I have. And then, you know, the other, whatever one I don't use, I'll just put in the parts department until, you know, until I need it for another machine. I'm sure I'll get one at some point that needs one. I don't know if I should start taking them off and keeping them, you know. I haven't really seen too many of these broken, but it does happen sometimes. It's like the GEs will be broken a lot. I guess I should keep those. That's like the whole bottom bearing. It's a weird noise. Is there another bearing that's got a flat spot? I don't know. Another bearing might have a flat spot. Let's put it back together and run it. See what it's like. So then we got these little screws here. go in here. And in here. And I plugged this light back in too. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. If you were paying attention. Okay, so now the door goes on. I vacuumed out the bottom of it there. Goes on these like little hook things and plug in the door switch. Then we have these two kind of off-colored ones. They go back in here. In here to there. Circuit board. UI board. Put it back on. Plug all this stuff back in. It's going from like the bottom up, you know, from the top down earlier. And like I think sometimes it might be easier to put this on and then plug the stuff in. But it seems like some of these get blocked. So all that's plugged back in. Could probably put this one in here too. Go into the plastic. That's where they were. Which these are going to be fun to do at that dude's house because he's got it stacked in this little closet. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get to the back of it to unplug it. Alright. Turns on. Normal, I guess. And oh yeah. Sounds good, doesn't it? It's just going too good, really. Needed some practice. Round 2. Oh yeah, right there. This one's got a flat spot on it too. I don't know how I missed that. Well, I mean, I guess I know how I missed it. Instead of when I heard it thumping, I should have stopped. This one's got 2 flat spots. Alright, let's try again here. No more clunking. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think about the LG Tromm in the comments. Bye.